Hello student, myself Ravi Shankar Singh, physics faculty. There is a question asked by one of the JEE student, and this one is thermodynamics paradox. उष्मागतिकी में विरोधाभास मीन्स इसकी जो सॉल्यूशंस आती है उसके सॉल्यूशंस डिफरेंट वे में डिफरेंट रिजल्ट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं और एक कॉमन कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो जाता है कॉन्सेप्ट के रिगार्डिंग। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चंस के स्टेटमेंट देखेंगे। स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, स्फेरिकल सोप बबल सरफेस टेंशन S encloses n moles of a monoatomic ideal gas. The gas is heated slowly so that surface area of the bubble increases by 3nr/2s per unit increment in temperature. The specific heat for this process is, and options are given 3r/2, 5r/2, 7r/2, 9r/2. So we have to provide the all possible solutions and then see the differences and the reason why there are the differences in the result. So let's see how we can proceed. Let's see the solution here. First of all, we know what is a specific heat capacity defined. Molar specific heat is defined as dq over n dt. And from first law of thermodynamics, what we can say about dq? dq is simply du plus work done and divided by n dt. And so we can say du is what? du is ncv dt plus work done and that divided by n dt. So we can see that this comes out to be ncv dt divided by n dt and plus this one is the work done by the gas in first law of thermodynamics. So work done by the gas divided by n dt, this one is the term here, and we can see that n gets cancelled out, dt gets cancelled out, and what C is coming? C is Cv plus work done by the gas in the system divided by n multiply the dt. So this is C coming out to be. Now we have to calculate work done by the gas and dividing by n dt, we will get the required C. So let's see how we can calculate the work done. And the information is given. So in the system it is given that soap bubble, we know soap bubble have double layer. This double layer soap bubble, and suppose at any instant radius is r and there is a smaller increment in the radius dr. So initial radius was r before the increment and final radius is r plus dr. And now we know that there is some inside pressure, some outside pressure, and there are also some surface tensions forces. And so balancing, we know from here excess pressure, we can say excess pressure formula, excess pressure concept regarding the soap bubble is what? 4s over r. And excess pressure is what? Excess pressure is inside pressure minus outside pressure. So what will be the inside pressure? Inside pressure will be P outside plus 4s over r. So this is the inside pressure. And we have to basically calculate the work done by the gas. So what will be the work done by the gas? obviously work done is always defined in thermodynamics by integral P dV. So we have to mainly use this one, and this one is the pressure of the gas, and we know pressure of the gas is pressure inside. So we can write P naught plus 4S upon R, and dV is the change in volume. Because thickness is negligible dr, so we can say dV as, in one step we say as dV, and let's see how we can proceed further. P naught dV plus integral 4S over R dV, and P dV, P naught is a constant one, so integral dV is delta V, plus 4S is a constant, and inside we will have 1 by R, and dV is what? This elemental volume. And what will be this elemental volume? Surface area multiply thickness, that will be 4 pi R square dr. And from here what we getting? P naught delta V plus 4 multiply 4 coming out to be 16 pi S, 1 R getting cancelled out, and we have to integrate the R. And limit of R is R to R plus dr. So now solving this term further. Work done by the gas will be what? P naught delta V plus 16 pi S, and R integration will be simply R square over 2, and limit is given R to R plus dr. And so here 8 times getting cancelled out, and what we getting is P naught delta V plus 8 pi S. Now putting the limit, this will be upper limit minus lower limit. So this will be equals to P naught delta V 8 pi S. Now A square minus B square formula. So A minus B will be dr, and A plus B will be 2R plus dr. So net work done by the gas coming out to be P naught delta V plus 8 pi S, and now by multiplying there will be 2R dr plus dr square. This is elemental term, and a squaring will be the 0 1. So what is the result coming out to be? P naught delta V 8 pi S multiply 2R dr, and this is coming out to be P naught delta V plus 16 pi S R dr. So this is the total work done by the gas, and now we have to put in the definitions of the C. So what is C? C is, we already stated, Cv plus work done by the gas divided by N dt, and Cv for monoatomic gas 3 upon 2R, and work done coming out to be P naught delta V plus 16 pi S R dr, and divided by N dt. So this is coming out to be 3 upon 2R plus P naught delta V upon N dt plus 16 pi S R upon N and dr by dt. And from here we can see that 3 by 2R, and this is P delta V, which is P dV nR dt, and divided by N dt, N getting cancel out, and here 16 pi S R over N, and there coming another term of dr by dt. So what we getting here? Work done. Oh, the value of C coming out to be 3/2R plus R